All right, sorry for the length, guys. We're almost finished, promise. So we're gonna come back over here. I did some of the work for you so we can go back through and just look at how this is done. I told you that we have to set these to be equal to one another. So quantity supplied and quantity demanded. So here's the equation. The 0 comes from finding that point. The 6 comes from finding that point, and we just plugged those back into these equations up here. So to make them equal, you just get rid of those two, quantity demand and quantity supply. You don't need that right now. And it's 0 plus 1p equals 6 minus 1p. Just do some algebra to solve for that. We need to get rid of p on this side, so in order to do that, we're going to add p to both because we have a negative. So that's going to bring us down to 0 plus 2p equals 6 minus 0p. Simplify that again, it's just 2p equals 6. A couple different ways you can do this here. You can multiply by 1/2, or you can divide. It depends on how you want to do it, but you're going to end up with p equals 3. Okay, now this is, if you notice, the same equilibrium price that we found here. Okay, so 3 equals our equilibrium price. But there's always a way to check this. So you can take both of these equations again, and you've just broken them down, so you should know that this is going to work. But to show you anyways, you take the 0 because of that point there, plus 1p, and you substitute 3 in for p. So quantity supplied equals 0 plus 1, and it's 3. So quantity supplied equals 3 at that price. And then you can do the same for quantity demanded. Equals 6 minus 1 and then 3. And then that's going to be a negative 3. So it's QD equals 6 minus 3. QD equals 3. Those two equal at that price. So this must be the equilibrium price. So now you know how to solve for this if you didn't have a graph or you weren't given all the information that you need. We'll go over this again when I see you Friday. If you have any questions, write them down, save them for me. If not, just have a great rest of the day. We'll see you then. Thanks.